So in case you've forgotten your password pin or pattern of your Galaxy A27 and you want to recover access to this phone, then you have to hard reset it. And you're gonna hard reset it via recovery mode, which means as you're setting it back up again, you're gonna need to enter the Google account, which means Google address and password of the account that was on the phone before the hard reset. So you're gonna have to know that Google account. Anyway, so the other thing you need is a data cable to connect to your computer and of course a working computer. So what I'm gonna do is bring my computer close by. You need any cable that can connect from your phone to the computer. The Type-C to Type-C cable that comes in the box works perfectly, but of course if you have a computer, an older one which doesn't have a Type-C port, then you can use a Type-A to Type-C cable. It doesn't really matter. As long as it's a data cable, it should work. So connect. So you can see I'm currently connected. Now, next thing you want to do is force a shutdown and then force a restart into recovery mode. So let's force a shutdown. So press this and this button together. So the side button is the power button and volume down. When the phone goes off, then you want to shift to power and volume up. Don't let go of this one. Just shift your finger to the volume up button. And when you see the Samsung logo as the phone is rebooting, then you need to release the power button and continue holding volume up. So it's a sequence, okay? But you can see the phone is on. Currently, I'm not able to get past the lock screen, as you can see. All right. So let's do this together. Let's press power, volume down, press and hold. Just ignore what you're seeing on the screen. Just continue holding. The screen goes dark. I'm going to switch to volume up while still holding the power button. Just keep holding. Keep holding. And of course, I'm still connected. Just keep holding. Keep holding. The Samsung logo appears. Let go of the power button and continue holding volume up. And that's going to take you into recovery mode. So inside recovery mode, this is where you can now scroll using the volume rockers. This to scroll down and volume up to scroll up, and then side button to select. So basically what you're looking at here is a menu. You have reboot, you have wipe data / factory reset, and then you have power off. So make sure you have wipe data / factory reset, because like I said, we might have to hard reset this phone. So have that highlighted and then use the power button to select that. It's going to ask you if you're sure. Scroll down and select factory data reset. Now with the reset complete, you will see at the bottom that it says data wipe complete. Then now that means you can go ahead and highlight reboot system now and then press the power button to select that. That should reboot your phone, having erased all your data. With the phone restarted, just go through the normal setup process. When you get here, choose setup manually. Do not choose to transfer data because you'll need that password, which you don't have. So choose setup manually and then choose a Wi-Fi network. You can already see it says an unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device. So put in our Wi-Fi network. I'm just gonna put this one and put in the Wi-Fi password. Once connected, I'm gonna tap on next. Now it says getting the phone ready, so I'll just give it a moment. And then of course, you'll be prompted to put in your previous password because it was an unauthorized hard reset. Now, since this is what we forgot, the password we had is what we forgot, and that's why we're resetting, choose use my Google account instead. So it's gonna look for your Google account and you have to now sign in with the same Google account that was on the phone before. So that's what I'm gonna do. And once you enter the Google account, you'll now be presented with a page to enter a Google account again to continue using on this phone. But if you want to actually, at this point, you can now skip this and you should be able to continue setting up your phone. Now, the phone is already unlocked, so it's going to be just a normal setup process from here. You've basically regained entry into your Samsung Galaxy A27. You can see I can skip all this stuff and continue setting up my phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.